Hi guys! Magluluto po tayo ngayon ng chicken with sausage and potato in casserole. Ito po ang ingredients. Potato, chopped in cubes.
Keep it low key, keep it soft,
diced ginger,
no strings tying you to
garlic,
me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, cause my love deserves to
native
be free.
chicken,
I never wanna look at a house in the
sliced
garden.
sausage,
I never wanna lock you down.
tomato paste,
I know you're not mine, it's just my
water,
turn, but we can still have fun for now.
olive oil, sea salt, and black pepper.
You told me you don't really do commitment, trust me. Consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved. Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. Fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. Don't worry, I get it. I meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn. We can still have fun for now. No, I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. Fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. Yeah, we can still have fun for now. Oh, we can still have fun for now.
Next po is chicken. That is salt. Sunod po is black pepper. Halo lang po natin. Next po is water. Let boil for 15 minutes. We put cover first. Check po natin. guys, ito na po yung aking finished product, chicken with sausage and potato in casserole. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Till the next vlog.